how to set proofing language on OneNote. In this video, I'll show you how to set proofing language on OneNote. So to set the proofing language in OneNote, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open OneNote on your device and then make sure that you're signed in into your OneNote account. And then from here, head over into that notebook where you want to set proofing language a specific text or paragraph from. So go ahead and open that, and then from here go ahead and highlight the text that you want to change. So for example, I want to highlight all of this text. Simply highlight it if you want to change it, and then click on review at the tool section in between history and view, and then under this click on language, and then under language you'll find set proofing language. So click on this, and then as you can see in here, you can go ahead and select the language that you want to use for proofing this specific paragraph. So for example, I want to use Korean. Simply select Korean and click on OK. So let's do it again. Review, language, set proofing language, Korean, and then click on OK. Proofing language is automatically detected based on your browser and keyword settings, so you can manually set it per section or page. So if OneNote keeps reverting it to another language, it's likely tied to your keyboard layout or Windows language settings. So that is how you can basically set proof language on OneNote.